here we have a 2017 Duramax with about 65,000 miles. Check engine light came on. It's 7 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so pretty cold. And the code that came up is a P1478, which means a particulate matter sensor circuit voltage. So we're gonna check the wiring harness and possibly replace the sensor. Here I'm under the truck. This is the passenger side. You can see the exhaust coming here. Sensor is here just above the rear axle. It's plugged in the exhaust here, and if you follow the wire here, we'll come to this module. Here is a module. If you look at the plug coming from the wiring harness, it's 6-prong. You can see there are six prongs here in the module, and the wire at the top, 5 coming out to the sensor. Do not order this part there. I'll put the link here from the Amazon stuff. It's the wrong part for this truck, even though it says it fits. Here's that on number 2. Here is the part number. This one has a correct 6-pin, so this one should work. So here we have two 10mm bolts, and now the module is off. So we have to disconnect this lower connector here. Here there is a small clip that you have to open to free the wire, and then we will disconnect here. It's not the regular O2 sensor size. You will need a 24. So of course the sensor is not going to come off, so you can cut the wires so that you can put a big 24mm socket here with an extension. Most likely what you need is a torch. I have my map torch here and some heat to loosen it, otherwise it won't come off. So I used heat. It turned for a bit, and then of course the nut broke off. Unlike a regular O2 sensor where the nut is actually welded to the sensor itself, in my case the threads got stuck in the exhaust and the nut broke off just there, so the threads are still in the exhaust. This is floating, and I can't even get the sensor out because you see of this lip, it stays stuck behind the threads here. This lip sits on the exhaust, so it's gonna sit on the exhaust like this, and then this just comes down to press it down to keep it in place. Here with the thread still in there, I can't pull it up. I also can't push it down because it's squeezed in between, so I'm gonna have to melt it. So here's the current situation. I did chop off the sensor. This is my Lotus LTP 5000D. I store it in a box like this. I have an adapter to go from the to just regular 110. That's it. So now just gonna reinstall the module. Okay, so here we have the new sensors. Routed the wires through the 2 clips here and above and here, and now I just have to, I put the 2 10mm bolts back in here and here, and now I just have to reconnect the new module here. This. And installation is complete, so now we're gonna go reset the code and see if this works. So here I'm gonna do an auto scan of the truck using my Hotel Maxicom, and so that was the code that I had. Do a quick erase of those codes. Okay. Cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up. Okay, so check engine light is off, turn the truck off, and then back on. And the check engine light is gone. So we'll go through a full emission cycle and we'll see, but so far that looks good. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.